Whether you're a student parent juggling lectures and lunchboxes, or a counselor, faculty member, or administrator working to make sure student parents succeed, the California Student Parent Resource Hub was built for you. The Hub is a one-stop shop of information about resources available at California's public colleges and universities. Everything from childcare and food pantries to priority registration and lactation spaces. Our goal is simple: to make finding support quick and easy so student parents can achieve their dream of earning a degree. Let's take a quick tour. The Hub has 5 main tools to help you explore information. In Campus Profiles, you can search any of California's public college and university campuses and see a full profile of the resources available for student parents there, like whether they have a dedicated Student Parent Resource Center and what food assistance and housing supports look like on that specific campus. Click any resource to see more specific details and use links to learn more. On Compare Campuses, you can view multiple schools side by side. Helpful if you're deciding where to transfer, or if you're a student parent champion trying to benchmark your campus against peer institutions. In Find Campuses by Resource, you can select specific resources to search by what matters most. Choose one or more resource, let's say on-campus childcare and diaper assistance, and instantly see every campus in the state that has both confirmed available, organized by system. Policy Progress gives you the statewide picture. How many of California's campuses have specific resources that are required by laws like the Gains for Student Parent Act confirmed available, broken down by UC, CSU, and community college systems. Finally, the Bright Spots and Templates page highlights campuses that are leading the way. Campuses doing especially creative and effective work to support student parents in areas like family-friendly study spaces and on-campus childcare. We'll rotate Bright Spots as campuses submit highlights that are worth sharing. If you're a staff member or advocate looking for inspiration or real-world examples to make the case for change on your campus, this is a great starting point. The Hub is a living resource, and we need your help to keep it accurate and up to date. If you know of a resource at a campus that's missing or has changed, please share it with us using the feedback link at the bottom of any page. And please, share the Hub with every student parent and campus champion you know, because every student parent deserves to know what support is out there to help them achieve their dreams.